Well, syempre, yung second half, sabi ko, don't relax, babalik at babalik yan. And well, yun na nga yung nangyari, nakabalik sila. And na-foul trouble yung big man namin. So, medyo lumiit kami, nahirapan kami sustain yung depensa namin sa ilalim, resulting into offensive rebound to second chance points. But, well, syempre it happens talaga. But, ayun, I just need to regroup, i-remind na kailangan for us to, syempre to finish on Friday, we have to get a lot of rebounds.
Coach, how did you like your start? Contrasting kasi yung dulo medyo shady, but that first half was, is to say, incredible for Letran. Halos lahat tumulo, everyone was on point. How did you like that start from your coach?
Well, I want to give credit din kay Chad because he worked on his shots, and also Jimboy. Talagang sipag niyan mag-extra before and after the practice. Ganda rin ang free throws namin. We have that 14 and 17. So, ayun, yun talaga eh. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng tinatawag na good execution, you know, for us, syempre, to have that defensive mentality. Kasi mahirap din dumipensa lang ng dumipensa tapos hindi ka rin shoot. So, it was a good good execution on and good decision making on the boys.
Coach, karamihan dito sa team mo, sa players mo, this is their first time playing sa semifinals o na seniors level.
Except Kevin Santos.
Si Kevin, the champion, and I think si June with Perpetual before.
Yes, Final Four ba? Hindi ko lang alam kung naka-final. Di ata.
But definitely, wala kayo masyadong experience sa semifinals o na seniors level. Yes. How did you like yung I think composure lang ng mga bata playing under the brightest lights in the big stage?
We just play our game, you know. Just stick to the game plan. Don't celebrate, di ba? Surrender yourself to the system. And syempre, yung ego natin, di ba? Surrender your ego rin, di ba? For the benefit of the team. So yun yung lagi kong message sa kanila. I know it's a big, you know, big arena. So, sabi ko, wag tayo masyado ma-overwhelm with that. Just, you know, focus on our team. Coach,